Welcome to Minitoy Quizzer. Get ready to challenge your brain with first aid and emergency health quiz. We've got 60 amazing questions lined up just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss a quiz. Let's get started. What is the first thing you should do when you see someone collapse? Check for danger. What is the most important item in a first aid kit? Bandages. If someone is choking, what should you do first? Perform abdominal thrusts, Heimlich. What's the best way to clean a small cut? Wash with soap and water. How should you treat a burn? Cool with running water. If someone has a nosebleed, what should they do? Tilt head forward. What number should you call in an emergency? A 911. If someone is unconscious but breathing, what position should you place them in? Recovery position. What should you use to stop bleeding? A clean cloth. What's the first thing to do for someone with a suspected broken bone? Immobilize the limb. What should you not do for a snake bite? Cut the wound. How do you treat a sprain? Apply ice and elevate. If someone faints, what should you do first? Lay them down and raise legs. What do you do for someone having a seizure? Keep them safe from injury. What is the recovery position used for? To keep airway open. What is the sign of choking? Can't talk or breathe. When treating a burn, how long should you run cool water over it? 10 to 20 minutes. Why should you not move someone with a spinal injury? It may cause more injury. What's the purpose of CPR? To keep blood flowing. What does AED stand for? Automated external defibrillator. What should you use to cover a wound? Sterile gauze. When should you call emergency services? Immediately in serious injury. What should you do if someone is shivering and cold? Warm them slowly. What is hypothermia? Dangerously low body temp. What's the first step in CPR? Check responsiveness. When someone is bleeding heavily, what is the priority? Apply pressure. What is shock in first aid? A critical condition. What should be applied to a swollen ankle? Ice pack. What's the first thing to do for chemical splashes in the eyes? Flush with water. How do you help someone who is hyperventilating? Stay calm and breathe with them. What's the best way to treat a blister? Leave it intact and clean. What should you do if someone is stung by a bee? Remove the stinger. What should you do for heat stroke? Move to cool place. Why is it important to wear gloves during first aid? To avoid infection. What is the first step in the primary survey? Check for danger. What's the best way to identify an emergency? Ask, "Are you okay?" What should you not do in case of a fire? Use elevator. What's the best action if you find someone unconscious and not breathing? Start CPR. Why is it important to wash hands before treating wounds? Prevent infection. What is the compression rate for adult CPR? (100 to 120 per minute). What's the correct depth of chest compressions for adults? About 2 inches. What should you check before using an AED? Clear area and no water. What should you do after applying a bandage? Check circulation. When someone has a suspected head injury, what should you do? keep them still. What is the best way to help someone who is breathing but unconscious? Place in recovery position. What do you do for a diabetic with low blood sugar? Give sugar. If someone is bitten by a dog, what do you do? Clean wound and seek help. Why is CPR important? Maintains oxygen flow. When do you stop CPR? When help arrives. How many breaths per CPR cycle? Two. What's a sign of internal bleeding? A pale, cold skin. What do you use to make a sling? A triangular bandage. What is the best action if someone has a seizure in water? Keep their head above water. How long should you wash a chemical burn? Minutes. What is the danger of electric shock? Heart stopping. When should you not give water to someone? If unconscious. What's the sign of a stroke? Face drooping. What to do for someone poisoned by swallowing chemicals? Call poison control. What is the most important rule in first aid? Safety. First. What to do if you feel dizzy while standing. Sit down, great job, quiz champs. How many did you get right? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for playing on Minitoy Quizzer, and remember to like, subscribe, and keep quizzing.